Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is on transitions and what you can do to help them go more smoothly. This is one video in a video playlist, so please take a look through all the strategies to see what works best for you. Now, one really good tip for transitions, especially ones that involve wait time, is to make sure that you have some type of a busy kit that you can give to your child to help them manage the wait. So it can be as simple as paper and pencil and playing tic-tac-toe if they are old enough. It might be a book. It might be something like the portable sensory toolkit. So take a look at that playlist if you haven't, because you can use that during your wait time, and it's also very calming. So what you want to do is have some type of an object or some type of an activity your child can use while they wait. It can even be using your electronic, anything that will help them to settle in, to sort of shift their focus off the wait time. This works real great in restaurants or unpredictable places where there might be a line. So consider always having a busy kit for transitions, as this can really help ease the wait time and the potential anxiety that comes along with it when children have a hard time with these kinds of things.